One of the latest updates around Pega Blueprint is the ability to explore MCP-based integration, allowing AI assistants like Claude, ChatGPT, or Copilot to connect with Pega workflows through the Model Context Protocol. In the Pega Blueprint for an ESG application, let's add an MCP service to expose selected business workflows for external AI collaboration. This allows workflows such as carbon emissions, water stewardship, social improvement, and carbon mitigation action plan to be discovered and invoked through Claude using natural language. Once the MCP service is created, we can preview the blueprint and view the MCP agent configuration details. The preview provides the required connection information, including the MCP server URL and setup details needed to connect the Blueprint MCP service with AI assistants, such as Claude or ChatGPT. Now let's go to Claude and add a custom MCP connector. Here, we enter the MCP server URL provided in the Pega Blueprint preview. Once connected, Claude is able to discover the tools exposed by the MCP service. These tools represent the workflows we configured in Blueprint, and we can now trigger them directly from Claude using simple natural language prompts. Once the MCP connection is configured, we can ask Claude to create a carbon emissions case using natural language. Claude then interacts with the Blueprint MCP service and invokes the corresponding workflow to create the case. Once the case is created, we can continue the conversation with Claude and ask it to add more details to the same case, update the provided information, or return the case reference and current status. This is a good starting point to explore how AI assistants can interact with workflows directly in Pega Blueprint, even before they are imported into a full Pega application. It shows how Blueprint can become more interactive through MCP, allowing workflows to be discovered, triggered, and refined using natural language. This is an initial showcase, with more advanced possibilities to come. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.